Good day, everyone. My personal insight regarding or to the topic of management and operations issue effective management and streamlines operations are foundational any business. Sustain and successful growth organizations constantly face in the myriad challenges and their ability to navigate their obstacles directly impact their performance and profitability and competitive standing. And also management operations issue, key operations challenges. Management and operations often include inefficient inventory management, rising operation costs, and effective workflow and process workforce and management issue. In, in for supply chain management, business many also struggle with integrating a new technologies and responding to shipping consumers expectations. For instance, failing for optimized inventory can result in excess cost or delay, while poor supply chain management leads to disruptions and dissatisfied customers. So in operations, operational challenges in business to business, regardless of size of our industry, frequency or frequently encounter internal and obstacles that can disrupt in daily process and hinder productivity. This operations challenge can lead to reduced efficiency, wasted resources, or uh, bottlenecks, and ultimate negative impact for portability. To address these challenges, effective management strategies are crucial. Implement robust inventory system like just in the time management can reduce the waste, improve to responsive to consumers delay, and delivering technologies such as automations and data analysis and enhance the efficient decisions making, while strategic planning provide clear goals and roadmap for the growth. Work Workforce or engagement strategies such as fostering and positive work or environment or offering ongoing training help retain the top talent and boost performance. That's all. Thank you.